Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Diana and I teach people how to trade binary options correctly, as well as sharing the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. If you are new to trading and lack confidence in your abilities, then join my close Telegram groups where I provide free signals with an accuracy of 90%. Social trading is also available, so if you are busy and don't have much time, you can still open profitable deals without having to be constantly monitoring your laptop or phone by simply copying my trades. I believe this option is perfect for you. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Make sure to watch the video until the end, subscribe, like and leave a comment. By doing so, we will automatically be entered into the $300 draw where the lucky subscribers will reserve $100 each from me. Alright, let's begin our trading session. Today is a special video. You guys told in the comments that you wanna see the challenge from $1,000 to $100,000 until those is over, and I wanna say why not. Let's go to try to carry this out. Now I got $1,100 to my balance here, and we can get down to trading, but also this is gonna be the first episode from this cycle. Because it's virtually impossible to take $100,000 out of one, this for the trading session, so let's get started. We're gonna open 1 minute position as usual, and we start from $1. I've picked of the following indications: the RSI period of 5 is used, the super trend and the fractile. So during this video, and you will learn how to succeed in trading using this indication, and you'll understand the principle of my strategy. So let's get down to trading and find the first currency pair. We also try to pick out the better pair trade. Well, let's analyze that to do with God here, and we open a long position here and select the workspace. This is how the first trade in the framework of the challenge. We see that the RSI is currency of the oversold zone. That's why we're expecting a breakout. The super trend indication that we should open along. We also see a good correction here. And here we see a good touch of the support zone. That's why we're gonna expect the breakout to the upside. Why not? And let's watch the outcome, guys. There are slightly 20 seconds left before we closing. Overall, the uptrending dynamics prevails in the zone, and we're gonna wait for breakout. Around 10 seconds left, guys. Let's just watch the price movement. And our position has been closed in profit, guys. Let's put down all the money here, carry on trading, and win the next currency bar. Continue the analysis. I guess I can't tell you for sure where they are gonna stop today. Overall, I find with the market behavior here, probably the best course of action would to the open along. I really on the super trend, the position to the upside just filed. I'm in our green moving average. And generally, we can coincide with the local height is way above the currency price movement, and the breakout of this zone is very likely to happen. And the price should go to the high in the future. Exactly as a prediction, guys. The price went up. Most likely the super trend has helped us out here. The result is straight entry, and we open along because of the showing up here. However, if we went for this indication, we could open a short here in theory because the support zone takes place here. But anyway, perfect trade entry, and our position is a profit. Let's update the trend amount and carry on our trading session. Let's continue, pick out the next trade entry, and here we see a good correction to the downside. Why not? Let's open along here following the trend direction. Great impulse to the downside, and I'm sure that I will lead to a new impulse to the upside. The super trend is also telling us about the upward dynamics, and overall we're gonna teach about the continuum of the trend. There we go. I think this reached a trade entry here. The analysis is correction perfectly, and thus around 20 seconds before the closing. And meanwhile, we got $6 on our balance. Let's put down all the money here and continue our trading. We're not gonna drag this out. We will pack out the next currency pair and carry on the analysis. Here, we see the touch of the resistance zone and the uptrending for the local height. For now, we're not gonna open here. A potential reversal seems to be happening in theory. So why not? Let's open a long position, guys. In theory, we understand the RSI dynamics, the crossing of the oversold zone is happening, and the impulse to the upside should following up. Here also the uptrending for the local low, and basically we could have seen the correction of the small pullback like right here. Why not, guys? Let's try to play out this moment and open a long position. We all see a good breakout here already. So let's change the trade amount and carry on our trading, pick out the next currency pair. Well, here I see a potential long position, so where we go? Why not? We open a long position following the trend direction. Overall, here's a good dynamics of the RSI, the upward dynamics that took place early on. Then a little, quite a good correction to the downside. Here the super trend show up from the support zone, that indication and the opportunity to open a long. And I guess we're likely to see the continuum of the upward dynamics, that's why we open a long here, guys. We see the intense pump, and there's 20 seconds before closing. Generally, we see the super trend showing up that we'd better open a position. Whether long or short depends on the color of the line. And basically, we just follow this principle, open the trend and fix the profit. As simple as that, guys. And you can see the result quite useful. We are fixing the profit again, guys. Let's change the trade amount and continue our trading. Means a better trade entry. Let's consider something in here. Maybe here we see a good correction to the downside, so we open along here. Point out the workspace, we see that the RSI is at bottom, and we're gonna wait for the breakout. Also here we got very good correction that seemed to be over. The local low is gonna be updated for at this point, and the price should go up. Also the super trend tells us that it's more effective to open a long, and that's exactly that we did here, guys. We opened a long position. And now here's the downward dynamics profiles, but we got a nice trade entry. Almost the candle is in red. There's 50 seconds before the closing. Let's just watch the price movement. Our position has been closed in profit. I have some trade entry just near the super trend line, so let's update the trade amount and continue our trading session. Pick out the next currency pair. So, what do we got here? Let's analysis. We have already opened a long position here before, so we slow down here a little bit. Thirdly, here also a good correction. So yeah, we open a long position according to the trend direction. Here we got a nice touch of the support zone. Also the chart shows us a good volume here and also good volume here right now. So if we take a look of the super trend, then we'd better open along. And that exactly that we did here. We opened along following the current trend. We are seeing a good breakout already, and there's 30 seconds left before the closing. We are doing great, guys. We got a nice pump here. And the best way to thank me, guys, is to subscribe to the channel, pat your like and leave a comment. I'd be very happy, and it motivates me a lot to continue making content for you guys. So, and let's continue our trading session. We already got a nice profit, just $1, and yeah, there's no stopping here. Let's find another currency pair. We'll look for the better trade entry. And here's a great chance to open a long position, and let's do that without thinking twice. We see that the RSI is one oversold zone, and I should go to the upside in theory. Let's also point of this touch, and I look like a double bottom pattern. Good correction to the downside. Also, the updating for the local low according to the fractal, and here is the position for a long according to the super trend. And we followed there's recommendation and opened along. Also, we got a nice trade entry level, and there's approximately 50 seconds left before the closing. Let's just watch, you guys. Last seconds, and the position is profit. Let's updating the trade amount and carry on our trading session. Also refresh the page and we continue. Find another currency pair for the better trade entry. So here we got a nice opportunity for opening long. Therefore, the monument is gonna be to the upside. That's why we open a long, guys. The upward dynamics takes place. The RSI could be a rejection from the oversold zone in theory. Here we got a nice support zone. The support trend also tells us that the best option here is opening long. This shows the horizontal line here. So we are opening long, following the trend direction. We see very low volatility here. Let's focus on our position and continue. That position has been in profit, guys. Again, like I said, we saw a low volatility, but the breakout eventually was happening. The position is in profit. Let's open a final trade in order to consolidate the outcome. I think it's gonna be a amount for today. So we open a final to $220 position. And the continuation you will see the next video. Let's find the final currency pair. So analyze everything as usual and open our trade. So here we observe a nice pullback. That's why we open a short position here. The closing of the RSI did happen here. The monument is going down. Then we also see a nice correction. The fractal shows us the updating for the local height. It means that with the holding monument it's gonna be to the downside if we follow the logic. The support trend also shows that the price dynamics is gonna to be the downside. So we open the short position here following that trend. And overall the volatility is not that high, so we're expecting the outcome. There's 50 seconds before the closing. Let's just watch the price movement. And yeah, we're in profits, guys. There we go. That's what we managed to achieve today, and this is where we stop, guys. We're opening so many good trades today, and I am okay with the outcome. And we eventually gonna see $100,000 on our balance. So take care, guys. Good luck and bye bye.